Now let's have number 41. We're in a proton. So that would make you think that we're going to use a right hand rule because it is a positive charge and there's no reversing that will going to happen. So a proton moves past a bar magnet as shown in the diagram. Find the direction of the force it experiences in each case. Now the first thing that you need to do here is to simply draw the magnetic field of this bar magnet. And remember, the magnetic field will gonna always point at points north going to south. So we're gonna go like this. Okay, so for the case of letter A, what will be the direction of the magnetic field? For the case of letter A, what will be the direction of magnetic field? So it turns out that it will gonna point out to the right. And so this one will gonna point to the right. Now, upon looking at the velocity of a proton that is going up, so that is going up. Now I would like you to use again your right hand rule. Go ahead and use the right hand rule. So if the index finger we're gonna point to the right, the thumb will gonna point up, and what will now be your middle finger? So the middle finger will gonna point into the page. So that would be into the page. Now, how about for this case of letter B? Again, if we'll try to draw the magnetic field here, we're gonna go like this. And again, the index finger will gonna point to the right. Now, if you try to look the velocity of the thumb, that would be also pointing to the right. And so, if you try to look here, if you try to look here and observe that the index finger or the magnetic field as well as the velocity, they are parallel to each other, and so for that case there will be no force, and so therefore there will be a zero force. Now how about for our third case? For our third case, this one we're gonna go like this. That would be the representation of your magnetic field, and therefore the index finger would be to the right. The velocity is represented out of the page, so we can represent it like this. Now go ahead and try to look for the middle finger. The middle finger, we're gonna go up, and so that would be the direction of the force. So take note that we don't reverse it. We don't reverse the right hand rule simply because we are using proton and we are having a positive charge.